Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I just picked this, actually two of this from Costco. This is the WaterPik Showerhead. This one has a 6 spray with the OptiFlow technology and has a dual power pulse massage. And then Bliss Mist has a full body power spray, full body, and then combination with the power spray or full body with the Bliss Mist. And then there is a hybrid power control right there. You could adjust the water to become stronger or less strong in case you have sensitive skin. And then it says that the easy pulse function is perfect for conserving water while you lather, shave, or shampoo, and it's super convenient to adjust spray strength for bathing children or pets. With a simple one-handed operation that works in any spray, you are in control of the power. Okay. It says up to 2 times massage force compared to other US retail market shower heads. And this product is made in China. It says 4 massage streams, wider massage zone. As you can see, the head is pretty wide. Got 1, 2, 3 outer circle, and then in the midsection there's like a couple of the individual spray or nozzles, and come with this platinum stainless steel hose. It says anti-clog nozzle. I'm not sure if I can believe that because I got some of the rubberized material before, and it gets clogged up still. So, but anyway, it has a lifetime warranty. See bottom panel for details. Install in minutes on any standard shower pipe. Premium stainless steel hose, 1.5 meter, 6 foot hose for easy shower cleaning or bathing kids' pets. And then it has a Bliss Mist for relaxation, powered by dual stream technology, plus a wider massage zone for massaging streams. Creates a tension relieving wave of massage. So let's go ahead and get it some box. So glad it is not taped up, so I don't have to go get my knife. Oh, I forgot to show you the bottom right here. So here are the contact information, the 800 number, the PO box for warranty information and stuff like that, in case yours run into problems or get clogged or defects. Well, I purchased my Costco. Normally has a 2-year warranty with them. So in case something goes wrong, I just go back to them and then just swap them out. So the tool you need will be either the adjustable wrench or plier. Okay. Here's the instruction manual. And this is what the assembly looks like. You can look at it real quick and then kind of get an idea. And then a couple of different languages, French, probably Spanish, yeah, Espanol, and then you got the English. And then the congratulations over here. So take out the package. They come with this cardboard, and then this nice stainless steel water hose line. So there's a label here. It says attach this end to shower head. Okay, so I guess it is not reversible. Okay, so you only this is to the, this has a rubber O-ring right here on the outer layer, and then this is the one that is going to go to your the shower head, and this is go to that connection right there. Let me take this out. Oops. So this is the shower head, nice finish shower head. And this is the hybrid power control right here. For low level, is be on the left, and then a stronger level will be on the right hand side. Okay, you can maneuver around. So this one is kind of tricky. The head, it is. I had to show you guys on how to do this real quick. Well, I have the video toward the end. At this video, it will show you on how to do it. So actually, just screw this on. There's a paper tab right here. Make sure you take it out. And when you take it out, make sure you don't lose this rubberizer O-ring. Okay. Make sure it is flush in there, not slanted, or else you're gonna have leak. So this one just go in here. And this is where you put your shower head right here to rest. Oh, so that's good. It has a rubber O-ring, so it holds its place. And then there's a groove right there. Just sit on top of it. So it says remove nut and then an internal pivot ball before installing. See manual for full instruction. And it says to tighten the nut, you go clockwise. To loosen up, you counterclockwise to tighten it, and then clockwise is to loosen it up. Okay. So this is the ball joint of the pivot ball, okay? And then you screw this on your existing pipe. You take out your old shower head and then you screw this one on. But before you screw this on, you have to make sure you put this through your water piping in there, and then you screw this on to toward the end of the pipe where the water comes out at on your shower head, and then you attach this nozzle into that, and then you gotta tie it up with this screw right here, and after that you can maneuver around, because this ball joint allow you to move around 360, okay, before you tighten this nut. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. And then oh yeah, I forgot this has a 6 different position. So this is in the middle right now, and then you can turn one click to your left, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then I guess 3 more to the right. 1, 2, oh. So 3 to the left. So actually you count this as 1 already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different position. Alright. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, but be sure to stay tuned for the installation video toward the end. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next video, guys, like always. Peace.